So after drying overnight, I sanded a little bit, but then I took the scraper, sharpened it a little bit because it wasn't very dull or very sharp in the part I needed, and then scraped the excess glue off and sawdust and tried to get it pretty smooth. And then there was also one here, and then I sanded a little bit, and it feels pretty smooth. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, given all the character in the top, it's not really like it's going to jump out. But I'm happy with it. And when we oil, it'll probably maybe blend in a little bit more. Or maybe it'll stand out more even. Because all this wood's going to get darker. Okay. I would say we're ready to remove the stone pieces, the stone tiles. And then the whole thing can be oiled, all the frame. Okay, I'd say that's the next step.